Students, in this video, we are going to discuss about question and answers of chapter 6 conditional statements. Question and answers. First, one more questions. First question, option A, how are you? Second question, option D, how are you? Third question, option B, hi, hello. Fourth question, option B, if else statement. Fifth and sixth, option C, error. Seventh, eighth, and ninth, option B, hi. Then next one is short answers. First question, define conditional statement in PHP. Conditional statements are useful for writing decision making logics. Conditional statements are used for making or writing decision making logics. It is most important feature of many programming languages including PHP. Next question, define if statements in PHP. If statement executes a statement or group of statements if a specific condition is satisfied as per the user expectation. If the condition is satisfied, it executes a set of statements, a statement or a set of statements. Okay, that is if statement. If the condition is false, what happened? Nothing happened, which means it come out from the looping structure. Next question, what is if else statement in PHP? If statement execute a statement or a group of statement if a specific condition is satisfied by the user expectation. When the condition gets false, it executes else block. Okay, when the condition is false, the else block is executed. That is the main difference between if and if else statement. Fourth question, list out conditional statements in PHP. Conditional statements. What are the conditional statements available? If statement, if else statement, if else statement, and then switch statement. Fifth question, write syntax of if else statement in PHP. So the answer is you will write the syntax of if else statement. What is the syntax? If within bracket condition, then true block statements, next else false block statements. So you have to write this structure. Okay, then sixth one, define if else statement. If else statement is a combination of if else statement. More than one statement can execute the condition based on user needs. Here we can build up so many conditions. Next, seventh one, usage of switch statement in PHP. The switch statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. So here we may build up the switch statement. We may use the switch statement for checking different cases based on the condition. Excuse me. The switch statement is used to perform different actions based on a condition, not a different condition. Here, a switch statement, we mention only one condition. Just we check the condition whether it is matched with any of the given labels. If the condition is not matches with any of these labels, it automatically execute default statement. Okay, the eighth question. Uh, the eighth questions is a syntax of switch statement. Okay, you have to write the syntax of switch statement. And next one is compare if and if else statement. So here make a box, make a table and differentiate if and if else with the following statements. If statement executes a statement of or set of statements if condition is true. If else, if statement execute a statement or set of statement if condition is true. This is common because in both the statements we use if true block statement. The main difference between these two is the second point. If the condition is false in if, nothing happens if condition is false. If the condition is fails, what happen? It execute else block statements. That is the main difference between if and if else. Okay. Next, brief answers. Write the features of condition statements in PHP. Condition statements are useful for writing decision-making logics. It is most important feature of many programming languages including PHP. The types of condition statements are if statement, if else statement, if else statement, and switch statement. Next question, write the purpose of if else statement in PHP. If else statement is a combination of if else statement. More than one statement can execute the condition based on user needs. The main purpose of the if else statement is we can execute more than one condition. We can check more than one condition and execute more than one statements, okay, based on the condition. Differentiate between switch and if else statement in PHP. Make a tabular column and write the points in the table. First point, the switch statement is used to perform different actions based on condition. If else statement, it is a combination of if else statement. Here more than one choice can be compared, more than one cases can be construct. Here more than one statement can execute the condition based on user needs. Here default statement is executed when no case statement is matches. Here else block statement is executed when no condition is satisfied. The next question, write short notes on switch statement. The switch statement is used to perform different action based on condition. The syntax is given below. Okay. Then next question, differentiate if statement, if else statement. We already mentioned, we already explained the if and if else statement. Just draw the table column and write these points. Okay, just go through these points. And 5 more question, explain conditional statements in PHP. You have to write what is conditional statement and types of conditional statement. Explain the types of conditional statement as given here. Next 16th question, discuss in detail about switch statement with example. You have to define the switch statement and write the syntax of the switch statement and write an example for the switch statement. The example is available in your textbook. Okay, the example is available in your textbook. Just write the example what it is in your textbook. Next question, explain the process of condition statement in PHP. This is the same question as first question, so you have to write the answer of first question. So just write the answer of the first question. Next, explain the concept of if else statement in PHP. So define the if else statement, write the syntax and with the example. And last question, if else statement, that is also the same pattern, write the definition of if, then syntax of if else, finally example for an if else. So you have to write this pattern in within a full page. Okay, so these are the question and answers of chapter 6. Next video we will discuss question and answers of chapter 7. Thank you.